In this video, we are going to show you how to log into the RADIOLens portal. The first thing we need to do is to get to the portal. To do so, we are going to go to a browser and type in radiolens.us. Once you type in radiolens.us and hit enter, it will take you directly to the login page. Once you're to the login page, if you know your username and password, enter it in and hit login. After you hit login, it will take you directly to your work list. If you do not know your password, you will click Forgot Password. After you click Forgot Password, it will prompt you to enter your username. After you enter your username and hit Submit, it will let you know that the new password has been sent to the email on file. Now we are going to go retrieve the new password that was sent via email. You should receive an email from support at RADIOLens to the email on file with your new password. After you receive the email, we're going to go back to the RADIOLens portal. We're going to hit Login. We're going to enter in our username and go back to that email and type in the new password. After typing in the new password, we're going to hit Login. After you hit Login, it's going to prompt you to reset your password. When you reset your password, please make sure you write down the new password. After confirming your password, you will hit Submit. Once you hit Submit, it will let you know that your password was reset successfully. After you do that, you're going to hit Login. Now you should know your username and your updated password. Once you enter in your username and password, you'll hit Login. It will take you directly to your work list. You now have access to your portal and work list. If you guys have any questions regarding your portal, please give us a call at 877-508-9729.